Looking to pull the audio from your video in CapCut? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to convert any video to an MP3 file, quickly, conveniently, and with no hassle. By the end, you'll know how to get just the audio from your footage, whether you want to use it for a podcast, share it as music, or repurpose it in another project. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is bring your video into CapCut. So, open up CapCut and import your video file, the one you want to extract the audio from. When you drag and drop it onto the timeline, make sure you can see both the video and the audio waveforms. This confirms that your video has an audio track. If you only see a flat line, double-check that your original video actually includes sound, or maybe open the Properties panel to verify. Now, let's get to the exporting step. Once your video is on the timeline, head up to the Export button. In most versions of CapCut, you'll find this at the top right corner of the screen. Click on Export, just like you would if you were saving out a finished video. But this is where things change. We're not going to export the entire video as usual. Instead, look for the audio option in the export settings. This part's important because you want to tell CapCut you only care about the audio, not the visuals. Selecting audio will switch the export format from video to sound only. It might feel a little weird if you're used to exporting video clips, but trust me, this is the key step that makes everything simple. Next, choose MP3 as your file format. MP3 is a universal format for audio. Practically every device can play it, whether it's your phone, a laptop, or a car stereo. If you see other formats like WAV or AAC, you can pick those if you have a specific need. But MP3 is the safe bet for most people. Think of it like the JPEG of the sound world. Small, reliable, and widely accepted. Here's a crucial detail. In the export settings, you'll see a few checkboxes for different parts of your export, like video, subtitles, and audio. Since we only want the audio, make sure you uncheck everything except audio. So deselect video and subtitles. You don't need those for an MP3 export. This tells CapCut to ignore all the visuals and just grab the soundtrack. Don't worry if this section looks a bit busy. Take your time, double check, and confirm only the audio box is checked. If you miss this, you might end up with a silent file or an unwanted video export. Once you've set everything up, you're ready to export. Hit the export button and CapCut will process the file. Depending on your computer and the length of your video, this part might take a few moments, so just hold tight. When it's done, check your export folder. You should see an MP3 file with the same name as your original video, and that's your audio ready to go, and that's all there is to it. Just import, tweak the export settings, and you'll have high-quality audio from any video you choose. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or need help with a specific file type. Don't forget to subscribe for more CapCut tutorials and editing tips. I've got plenty more tricks to share. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.